Hey guys!
We are sitting on Main Street, it's true. This is the best hiding place for the rain.
We know Disneyland Paris is quite big. There's a whole lot of things to do and to see. These are the 5 things that you absolutely shouldn't miss.
We would like to give you a top 5, and we start at the lowest one, that's the number 5, and we go all the way to number 1. We're starting with number 5.
At number 5 we've got the Disneyland Paris snacks. Very important when you are on vacation is the food. In Disneyland Paris you can enjoy a lot of different sit-down, quick service and counter service restaurants. But also the snacks are worth trying. Most of the time they are sold here and there from carts in the park. But our personal favorites? Those are of course on Main Street.
And we would like to advise you to go into the special candy shop in the center of Main Street.
Right behind us.
Right behind us. This candy store has got an amazingly beautiful inside. You really have to see it.
Yeah, we made a video about that.
Yes, you can see it in the screen right now. And they also sell delicious treats that are fresh.
The fudge is made freshly in the shop.
So you can find it in the shop, in the window display. You can choose it yourself, and it makes it's delicious and it makes pretty pictures as well.
Yeah, and our personal favorite from us both is the donuts at the cable car bake shop.
Yeah, today we had one that was filled with apple and
cinnamon.
They are there as well with
glazed with sprinkles or plain
Nutella inside.
And on special occasions, like during Halloween, they have a special one filled with orange and blackberry. Oh,
that one was really good.
Yeah, and a little chocolate that's on top.
And let's not forget about the very familiar snacks. For example, the Nutella crepe, on which you'll get a thick layer of Nutella. It's delicious. Or the Mickey waffle. This waffle is prepared completely fresh for you, and you can choose whether you want to have it with sugar or chocolate sauce. Another well-known snack is the hot dog from Casey's Corner, which is available in different varieties. You see, there's enough to choose from.
On number 4, it's the parade. Down here on Main Street and across Plaza, it's brilliant.
Yes, it's typical for Disney to have a parade like that. The quality is very good. The costumes are amazing. Once in a while they change the parade, but it's so beautiful. Even if you've seen it thousands of times, it's still beautiful and you will enjoy it nevertheless.
Yeah, and that's the main parade. There's also often there's a little parade during special seasons like Halloween or
Pirates and Princesses.
Pirates and Princesses, springtime. So if you're lucky, you can catch 2 parades in one day.
Next on our list, on number 3, is the character meet and greet. This is something that you have to do when you are in Disneyland Paris. You really shouldn't miss out on the character meet and greets.
My favorite, of course, are Mickey and Minnie, but there's so many.
You can also go to Walt Disney Studios and use the Linebirdie app. We made a video about that as well. You wanted to say that too?
No, I think that's a very good idea because then you can save some extra time. You don't have to stand in line for certain characters.
Exactly. Not all of them, but certain characters you can make a reservation to meet them. If you'd like to see more about it, check out the video somewhere in the screen right now. So that's cool. You can meet Buzz Lightyear, for example, and also
Mickey
also, yeah, as well. So that's really cool. And if you cannot make it to meet a character, you can also have a
character dining.
Thank you.
At number 2, we have the fireworks show. It's every night, weather permitting, and well, there has to be a whole lot of bad weather to cancel the fireworks, so there's a good chance that you see a fireworks show. So don't miss out on that one.
Yes, and there is one, like Sven said, here in the Disneyland Park at closing time. But if you're lucky, there's also a fireworks show in Walt Disney Studios, because sometimes with certain
seasons, like Star Wars season, they have a spectacular show with projections on the Tower of Terror.
Yes, and our advice is to try to see both shows. So if you're here for 2 days, go to the first fireworks show on day 1 and go to the second fireworks show in Walt Disney Studios, for example, on day 2. So you see them both and you won't miss out. Then finally we arrived at number 1. And the number 1, we have the attractions, of course. Disneyland Paris is filled with attractions and you shouldn't miss out on certain rides.
Yeah, so which is the absolute number 1 ride you should ride? Well, I'm thinking of several. So Big Thunder Mountain, Hyperspace Mountain, Pirates of the Caribbean, Peter Pan's Flight.
But to be really honest, they're all amazing. Make the most out of extra magic time, fast passes, ride as much attractions as you can to make the most out of your day. So just experience the rides, they're awesome, you will have a great time. Okay guys, so these were our top 5 things not to miss when you go to Disneyland Paris. We hope that you can use it for when you are visiting Disneyland Paris.
Yeah, so have a great time in Disneyland Paris. Also a great time planning your trip to Disneyland Paris, because planning is half of the fun and getting excited for the trip.
Don't forget to follow us on social media.
Indeed. And maybe next time we'll
see you in Main Street. Bye. We're still here? It's over, guys. Go home. Go.